What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you can tell from the title, this is another stock related video. This is actually a stock called ASRT. I'm going to be doing what I normally do when I do these type of videos. I have a bunch of information written in my notes and I'll be inserting screenshots like I normally do. But I actually found this stock myself the other day just while I was on Robinhood, which still not a huge fan of Robinhood, but have not changed over to any other brokerage because I really don't know where to go. So I'm still just using them and just playing with the money I still have. And I was just looking at some of the cheaper healthcare apps and I came across a couple, but I'm only going to be going over this one in this video. And I'm just really excited to share with you guys. So this ticker is ASRT. Like I said, it's ASRT Therapeutics. So I'm going to start this video off by talking about the stock like I normally do, just give you some information about it, what it is, then a little bit about its financial stuff, and then more about the stock itself. So if you just want to see the actual stock price, I'd skip to closer to the end of this video. So this company was founded in 1995, and they actually changed their name a couple years ago from Depot Med Inc. to ASRT Therapeutics. So what they do is they market products for treatment in neurology, pain, and diseases of the central nervous system, and they have a large portfolio of branded prescription products in 3 areas: neurology, hospital, and pain and inflammation. And I was looking at their actual website, and on their About Me page, which I will also link some of the articles that I read and used for this video down below. I have not been doing that, but I really want to start doing that. But it said on their website that they are also interested in products across all therapeutic areas, including their current focus. So I think that means they're also interested in expanding. That's not what they said exactly, but that's kind of what I took from that. But they do already do quite a bit of things. So I just figured maybe that's what they meant, but I don't know. There actually was some news on this stock, which I did not know about this until I was doing research for this video. So I bought it just because of the stock itself and what I saw on there, but I didn't hear about this. So it's kind of long, but I'm going to read a lot of this to you guys just so I don't get any of it wrong. But on February 5th, which today is the 9th, so on February 5th, they announced that they had entered into a securities purchase agreement with certain institutional investors to purchase 22.6 million shares of its common stock at a purchase price of 0.62 per share. And this is in a direct offering. And that allows the issuing company to sell its securities directly to investors without using a middleman. But the actual proceeds that ASRT is getting before expenses is roughly 13.1 million, which is good. So I actually found what they're going to use this money for and stuff. So I thought this was really good news. So this is what it says. They plan on using these proceeds for further development of their drugs and devices, general expenses, and then they also use a portion of it to pay off outstanding debts or invest in complementary businesses, products, or technology. And then the delivery of this was actually expected today, February 9th. I don't know for sure if it's gone through because it's expected today. So it might not have gone through yet. Maybe it has. I saw the paperwork for it, but I don't know if this has actually happened yet, but it's supposed to happen today. So that's the news that I read about, and I was actually pleasantly surprised, and it makes sense now why the stock is doing how it's done, and we'll get into that. And so before we actually get into the stock itself, I'm just going to put up a couple of things I found online about their financial situation. Honestly, not 100% sure about that. It does sketch me out a little bit, but I'm not great at reading the charts yet. So I'm just going to put them up for you guys to see yourself. Let me know what you think. But I think that what I was just talking about, how they have this deal with this other company, at least they'll have another 13 million to mess with and pay stuff off. So that should be really good for them. But this is their financial situation and stuff that's going on. And I should have made this clear in the beginning like I need to do in all my videos, but none of this is advice at all. This is all my opinion. I am not a stock expert. I have been in the stock market for a couple of years now. I enjoy what I do, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I've had pretty good returns on my stocks as of a couple of years. So I just want to share with you guys what I'm doing and the stocks I'm interested in and the stocks I am actually investing in. But take everything I say with a grain of salt and just know this is not financial advice, stock advice. This is just my opinion of what I'm doing and just trying to share it. Hopefully that makes sense. So don't come at me if the stock goes down and you buy it, because I'm not telling you it won't, because I have no idea. But anyways, let's move on to the stock. This stock actually sits at $1.25 right now. I'm going to tell you how much I got it for. But the $1.25 right now, it's actually up today again, 21%. Yesterday, the 8th, it was up about, I believe, 17%. Crazy. So it went up 0.2289 today, And then this past week, it's up 81%, 0.56. Past month, it's up 128%, 0.7061. 3 months, it's up 196%, 0.8267. And then for the year, it's down actually 17.76, 0.27. And then 5 years, it's down quite a bit. It's down 92%, $14.80. So this stock used to actually be worth like $16, but I guess it's gone down a lot since then. I do not know why, but that was within the past 5 years. So my position in this stock is I only have 216 shares. I didn't have a lot to play with. I actually sold a few shares of my XPEV just because it wasn't doing much, and I had 40 something shares of it, and I was able to get like 900 bucks out of it. So I did that, and I just wanted to play with that money and find other stocks. So I put some money into this one, and I actually got this at 0.8927, and I got this yesterday morning. So I was shocked that it's already gone up to $1.25. I had no idea it was going to shoot up this high, but I just kind of had a feeling, and I just really wanted to get this one along with the different one. This one I didn't put as much money in, which I'm so sad I didn't, because it's actually outperformed the other stock by quite a bit, but you never know. So I'm happy with it. But my return today is $47.52, and total return is $77.18. You know, so not bad. Means I don't have a whole lot of shares. I'm actually up 40% total, it says, because my market value is only $270. So you can obviously see that I don't have a lot, but I have high hopes for this, and I'm really hoping it dips a little bit. I think it will, and then I might pick up a few more shares. So we'll see. I'm hoping it just dips a little, because it is a little higher than I expected it to be so fast. So it would be nice to get some more shares. I'm sad I didn't. And so today's open, it was $1.36. Today's high so far is $1.45. The low is $1.19. And then the 52-week high is $1.53, and the 52-week low is 33 cents. So obviously it's getting pretty close to that 52-week high. I'm hoping it can actually stick with it, but we'll see. And so the average volume is 22.86 million, but today's volume is actually up, which is at 40.78 million. Market cap 113.22 million. So more people are trading this right now. I don't know if it's because of the news. I have never heard about this stock. I'm sure there are other videos on it, but I actually haven't watched any yet. So I don't know why it's so high, unless it's just because of that news. Let me know if you've heard of this stock. Let me know if you're interested in this stock. I want to talk about one more thing because we just looked at the stock. So there are 2 analysts offering 12-month price predictions, and they have a medium target of $2.13, a high of $3.50, and then a low of 75 cents. So obviously it's already higher than the low, and it's not at the medium yet, but it's getting there. So I don't know. And if it could get to 350, that'd be awesome. Even though I don't have enough to really make it that awesome, but it would still be great if it would go up that high. So I just want to give a shout out to the other stock that I am also into. I'm not going to really talk about it. If you'd like to hear a video about it, let me know. I also don't know much about it, but shout out to NEOS. It's called NEOS, not NEO, like NIO. This is NEOS, NEOS Therapeutics. So it's another healthcare app. It's at $1.07. I got it for 0.9191, 537 shares. I'm up 81 bucks. I just want to share that with you guys because it's also up 10% today. But like I said, who knows what will happen. I'm just happy with those 2 decisions I've made. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know if you have any stocks you'd like me to look into. I'm not going to guarantee that and make a video about it, but maybe. We'll see. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.